In this question, we have simultaneous equations and required to solve for x and y. So to solve this simultaneous equation, we shall use substitution method. And substitution method implies that you're going to substitute the expression representing y in place of y in the second equation. So the resulting equation will be, for the second equation, will be x squared. So x squared plus, in place of y, I'll plug in 3x plus 2 squared is equals to 20. All right, but 3x plus 2 squared, so 3x plus 2 squared is 3x plus 2 multiplied by 3x plus 2. And if you expand that, that will be 9x squared plus 6x plus 6x plus 4, which will be equal to 9x squared plus 12x plus 4. So we substitute that in this equation. So we shall end up with x squared plus 9x squared plus 12x plus 4 is equals to 20, or 10x squared plus 12x plus 4 is equals to 20. And we can bring everything to one side. So that will be 10x squared plus 12x minus 16 is equals to 20. Now we can simplify this quadratic equation, is equals to 0, sorry. We can simplify this quadratic equation by dividing by 2. So if we divide by 2, we shall end up with 5x squared plus 6x minus 8 will be equal to 0. Now I'm going to solve this quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. So if you plug that there, we shall end up with x is equals to negative 6 plus minus square root of 6 squared minus 4 multiplied by 5 multiplied by negative 8. All this over 2 multiplied by 5. So this will be negative 6 plus minus square root of 36 plus 160. All this over 10. So x will be equal to negative 6 plus minus square root of 196 over 10. So this means that this is same as x is equals to negative 6. Square root of 196 will be 14 over 10. So either x is equals to negative 6 plus 14 over 10, or x will be equal to negative 6 minus 14 over 10, which implies that either x is equal to 0.8 or x will be equal to negative 2. Then you can go ahead to find the corresponding values of y. So basically, when x is equals to 0.8, y will be equal to 3 multiplied by 0.8 plus 2, so which means y will be equal to 4.4. And then when x is equal to negative 2, y will be 3 multiplied by negative 2 plus 2. So y will be equal to negative 4.